It does feel good.
But it actually feels good.
My feet are sinking.
I'd love to bring Knox here on Monday.
You can.
Let us hang out here.
You can. Look at that. These things feel good on my feet too. It's like massaging my feet. Like, feel that. Whoa. I know it's crystal clear. It's beautiful out here.
Yeah, I would totally love to. Okay. Like,
But we have to see the other one too. I don't know, they were driving.
they were like, we can't talk.
No. I just, my phone wasn't working. You know, my data is kind of low. That's a cool rock.
Where?
Nice, isn't it?
Oh yeah. We do this all day. I got too many. We're gonna come back in a couple of days. I don't want to catch too many. I'm gonna do some investigating. You hear me? Look at this one, bub. Look at that one now. That's nice.
Careful, don't fall.
Yeah, please don't fall.
Oh my God.
I'm worried about you coming over.
I can swim and get you. I just don't want to have to.
Thought it would be quiet over here, so we could, you know.
It's beautiful out here. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate this? How pretty is it?
It's kind of like a 7.
A 7? That's it?
7.5.
This is Lake Huron. What do you guys think about Lake Huron? Come on, Saka.
Let's come back up there. Don't mean you need to. I'm top heavy. I can keep myself good.
I wouldn't say that.
I mean, like,
Just kidding. I like sitting right here. It's massaging my feet. It feels so good.
you can go do it down there. Ooh, that hurts. But look right here.